India's greatest king, like Mauryan dynasty,
Africa. Yes.
expand
Yes, yes, yes.
Buddhism,
So it's thanks to him.
and his son Mahendra and Sanghmitra
Spread.
spread Buddhism in Sri Lanka. I am a local Indian boy, so I do not know good English.
You speak good English.
Because I also belongs to Bihar board. We are a teacher of Hindi,
Oh, okay.
so I don't know
But I can
English.
understand. This is called J. Pano. So he spread Buddhism from here, and then his students expanded. That's how it came. Then also he went to other places like Kushinagar, where he passed away. Then he could, after so much of meditation and so much of, we have to reach one level higher, where you will be able to think about the past like 500 years before, and then future like 500 years later. So he could achieve that miracle. But he didn't show all his miracles. He did all this through concentration and mindfulness. But he didn't show this to all the people like us, because then we'll concentrate on showing miracles like jadoo and all, no? Instead of being chanting and then being compassionate, being kind, then we'll be focusing on jadoo, which is shorter way, no? So he didn't teach all this, but he knew. He has. Then he also taught about astrology. So then about mindfulness, about mental health, all this. So these are all encompassing, it all encompasses in the Buddhist texts. Then he could foretell his death. So he said after 3 months I'll die. With that he told in, it's somewhere called, Vaishali. Oh, he told there, and after 3 months he passed away in Kushinagar. So that's how it happened. So then the Buddhism is the apex. Then there it got segregated, divided into 4 main sects. There are four types. But actually it all converges towards the Buddha. 4 branches.
After the date of Mahatma Buddha, or India's greatest king, like Mauryan dynasty,
Africa. Yes.
expand
Yes.
Buddhism,
So it's thanks to him.
and his son Mahendra and Sanghmitra spread Buddhism in Sri Lanka.
Yes. It's true. Even in Burma and all, no?
Because I am a local Indian boy, so I do not know good English.
You speak good English.
No, because I also belongs to Bihar board. We are a teacher of Hindi,
Oh, okay.
so I don't know
But I can
English.
understand.
हिंदी में नहीं जानता हूँ विशेष रूप से, और हिंदी से मैंने एमए किया है, बच्चों को पढ़ाता हूँ। अभी हमारी एग्ज़ाम था रेलवे का, तो हम इस शहर में आए थे, तो हम जानते हैं, और हिंदू होने के बावजूद भी हम बुद्धिज़्म को मानते हैं। मेरे पूरे परिवार बुद्धिज़्म को मानते
We
हैं।
also believe in Vishnu, then Shiva and all. Yes, except
Yeah,
even
yeah.
Kali Ma.
और जैसे और ये जो है, जब हम लोग कोई धार्मिक अनुष्ठान करते हैं बुद्धिज़्म के अनुसार, तो ये करते हैं नमो तस्य भगवतो अरहतो, जानते हैं, पानाति पाया वे रमणी शिका पदम समाधियामि।
I don't.
हमारे यहाँ कुछ संस्कार है, लाइक मैरिज वगैरह होते हैं, ये सब उच्चारित किया जाता है। महात्मा बुद्ध के जो 5 संदेश है, जैसे शराब का सेवन नहीं करना चाहिए।
Yes. We have
तो मेरे
10.
पास बुक्स तो
We
नहीं
have
है।
10. We have 10 actually. First is don't kill others. First is don't kill others. Don't steal. Don't steal which is not given. Fourth is don't tell lie. Then fourth is don't misbehave. So we have around 10 things which you cannot do. So there are like body, speech and mind. Body, don't kill, don't give what is not given. All this. Then 4 from the mouth. Body, speech. 4 from the speech. 4 from the speech. That is, don't tell hurtful things to others. Don't tell gossip about others. So these are 4 speech. Body, speech, then mind. Mind is don't think bad about others. Don't think negative about others. So there are many like, and don't think you are going to harm somebody. So these are all mind. So there are 10 which you have to
According to Buddha, heaven, where is heaven
No,
or
we
not?
don't have.
But all religions like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai are also said heaven. After that we went to heaven. But Buddhism.
No, we don't have heaven and hell. We feel that you will be reborn again. It is cycle. So if you do bad, if you kill a fish, next time you will be born a fish, and that person will kill you again. So because we have done a bad thing to him, no. So it is cycle. So we don't have heaven and hell. Only thing is that when you die, you will die very happily because you live your life to the fullest. You help others. It's like that. You are compassionate, no? When you did so many good things. So when you die, you die happily. And even after your death, you will be reborn in a good place, like Maharaja ka, like something like that. You will become a very good businessman, something like that. In this life, if you have done bad, next time when you are born, you will born like a snake. Something like fish where you are killed, no, and eaten. So it all goes around and around. We don't have hell and heaven.
After talk to you, I am very happy and see you meet again.
Okay.
Where are you from? I went to Bhutan.
See you. I'll just do it. Then the students spread and it became more and more, and then it became a word called Buddhism. So it's okay, no? So here when he spread Buddhism, he did in the park. So this is called Deer